Hello everyone. You might have noticed that I have not posted any new videos on my channel in the past 5 days. It is because I manifested something unfavorable. But within a week, I changed it. In this video, I will tell you why it happened and what I did to overcome it. Also, if you are facing some troubles in your life, I will show you one reason that goes unnoticed that manifests these unfavorable outcomes and how you can change them easily. I changed them within 5 days, and you can too. So, last week, I was writing a script for my next video. Then I received an email. Generally, I ignore them because the vast majority of them are promotional. But since it was from YouTube, I thought it was just about some new policy or something. But in that email, it was written that your content is not following our advertising guidelines and that we have demonetized your channel. Your content looks like it was auto-generated. If any of you have a channel on YouTube or have worked on YouTube, you can relate to how bad this news is. If you have been following my channel for a long time, you know that the voice you are hearing right now is not my original voice. It is the voice of software. My biggest fear came to the surface this past week. I've been uploading these videos for a long time. My channel has around 274 videos, but I'm not sure how they got unnoticed by YouTube in the past. And now YouTube is telling me everything. I then analyzed the incidents that happened recently, and I was shocked when I noticed how I manifested this unfavorable condition. The story goes back to December, when a YouTube channel I followed that had around 1.5 million subscribers posted a YouTube course that showed how they create videos. Well, I was always curious about how they can post other people's content on YouTube, which was in my mind a straight violation of YouTube policy. So, I enrolled in that course. After enrolling in the course, they delayed it again and again. January came, and without the consent of the people who bought the course, they changed the pattern of the course where they will teach the contents by coming live only. Now, in March, there was useless content on their course. Many people even complained about why they were not consistent and why they canceled the live sessions on a regular basis. This boiled the blood of many people. During the middle of March, they told me that YouTube is no longer accepting the kind of videos they post due to the changes in the policy that came into effect during that month. I got so angry because they didn't conduct the course properly, changed it when they were unable to publish videos, and now they are saying the course is worthless. I started having these negative feelings whenever their faces came into my mind. Later, all the students came to know that their channel got demonetized, and these two guys told them that it happened due to the changes in policy in March. But there were no such changes. The ones they were talking about had been there since last year. Now, after hearing this, somewhere within me, I felt like it was good that they got demonetized. It was like tit for tat. Now there was some sense of relief. But by all of this, I missed a very crucial point. When I felt the little joy in the failure of another, I accepted it. I accepted the idea of demonetization. That's why we are told not to find joy in the failures of others. When we accept something as true for another, it may happen to us too. Now, although I have had countless experiences where I manifested something, this went unnoticed within me. I accepted it, and now it became a reality for me as well. Another incident happened. It was when I was sitting with my friends and, in a joke, I said something opposite about YouTube, and my friend was like, "Don't say it. You yourself create content on it. Don't say it." Now, these two incidents have given me a new sense of understanding about the law. I understood why someone who cheats on someone else gets cheated on later. I realized that whatever we accept as true becomes true in our reality as well. Whether we hear our friends cheating on someone and we accept their behavior, we are accepting it as true in our life experiences too. When we look at some thieves and justify their robbery, we are creating a hell for ourselves too. Now, it is not like you cannot have human moments. You can have them, but after having them, change the way you think, act, and feel. In the first place, don't react to the opposite circumstances, but sometimes we do. It's all right. You can change your assumptions now. You can change the way you think, feel, and act now. After experiencing this, I went within and started affirming that I am monetized again. YouTube accepted me, and other such affirmations that all conveyed that YouTube accepts my content. When I was in this mindset, I created an appeal video that YouTube asked me to create. And in it, I told them how it benefits my audience and how my content is original. I submitted that appeal video yesterday afternoon, and in the evening they again accepted my channel. Instead of panicking that I have to delete these videos, I changed my state of being. In the last 5 days, when I changed my state by affirming and enjoying my life, hanging out with my friends, and making new goals, I became neutral towards this YouTube episode and enjoyed my life. Then I got monetized again. Usually this process takes 14 days, but it happened within a few hours. When I submitted the appeal video, the state of being that I had was, I am already monetized. This is just a formality. It is important to notice that my state of being was not like, please accept me or something out of desperation or need. I didn't criticize YouTube. Instead, I went within and changed myself, because there is no one else to change but oneself. I didn't go to YouTube and convince them. Although it was an unfavorable circumstance, I changed it to a favorable one. Also, these 5 days gave me so many experiences and helped me understand the law in depth. So, I request that you not accept something bad as true for another. If you are also facing some troubles, just change your state of being and don't react to the outer circumstances. During this lifetime when you are in this mortal body, you will face some unfavorable circumstances too, but since you know that your imagination is God, you can change them by imagining a state where what you want is true. You can experience it within you, and it will manifest in your reality. Now, I hope this video gave you clarity. It showed you how the law works and how you can change your unfavorable circumstances by going within instead of reacting to the external reality, as life is happening through you and not to you. I hope this story of mine gave you some insights on the law of manifestation. Also, if you make up your mind about the thing you desire and live from the end state of having your desire, you will become neutral towards that thing, and it will manifest in your reality. With this, I hope you learned something wonderful. Subscribe because I post these videos regularly. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.